245. Select the graph that represents the following inequalities. So we have two inequalities here we have to solve for. Negative 8x plus 2 is greater than negative 12. And 4x minus 6 is greater than or equal to 16. All right, so let's just do one and then the other. So we'll just rewrite these. Negative 8x plus 2 greater than negative 12. All right, let's subtract 2 from both sides. And that'll give us negative 8x greater than negative 14. Okay, now we need to divide by negative 8. Now remember, when you divide by negative 8, you have to flip, or when you divide by any negative number, you flip the sign. So that is going to equal x less than negative 14 over 8. And let's get that into decimal. So that's going to be negative 1.75. So we have our first one done, okay? Oh, I'm sorry, this is actually a positive. That's a positive 1.75 because it's negative 14 divided by negative 8. My apologies. All right, so let's go to the second one. 4x, so this is 1, the first inequality, and this is the second one. 4x minus 6 greater than or equal to 16. All right, so what are we going to do first? We're going to add 6 to both sides. So that's going to be 4x, 4x greater than or equal to 16 plus 6, which is 22. All right, let's keep going. Let's divide 4. So we'll divide 4 both sides, and that will give us, and we don't have to, since it's not a negative, we don't actually have to flip these signs. So 22 over 4, let's figure out what that is. That is going to be 5.5. All right, so we've got our answers here. Now let's put them into the graph. So x is less than 1.75. All right, so that's going to be either A or B, because we see that the circle right here is not filled in. Therefore, it's less than. It would be a solid circle if there was less than and equals, but it's not. So right now we're at A or B. All right, then we have, for the second one, x is greater than or equal to 5.5, so the circle will be filled in. And it looks like A and B are the same, aren't they? Well, that doesn't make any sense. There must have been a typo here because both of these are the same. So for this one, it's going to be A or B are the correct answers.